Hello, if you are wondering how you can enable Dolby Atmos on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s, let me show you what you need to do. So in fact, Dolby Atmos is always enabled if you use loudspeakers on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. In addition to that, we can also open the quick access over here, and then we can tap on this pen icon. Now, if we scroll down, we can find Dolby Atmos somewhere over here, so we can press and hold it, and then drag it over here in order to have it in the quick access. Now, after that, if we go back and scroll over here, you can see we have Dolby Atmos. If we try to tap on it in order to turn it off, we'll see the information that it is always on. In addition to that, we can also go to the apps, and you should be able to find the Dolby Atmos app. If you tap on it, then you can also go to the settings, and over here you can choose the preset for the loudspeakers. Now, ideally, you probably want to use Smart Audio, since it is a way to perform automatic adjustments to deliver the best sound depending on the type of sound that you currently listen to. But if you want to, you can always choose your own preference, and you can set it to music, film, game, podcast, or custom. And on the right side, you also have pens that allow you to customize the equalizer and enable and or disable the volume leveler. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.